How to fix Shopify Liquid Error could not find asset snippets. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser, and in here we can see our Shopify store. So if you see this error, Liquid Error could not find asset snippets, let's go to our Shopify account and sign into it. Now in this section, go to Online Store, and under Online Store, click on Themes. Now if you are in your Themes section, you have a button in here, the Customize button and the ellipses. Click on the ellipses. Now once you've clicked on ellipses, go to Edit Code. Now it will route you to a separate page, and here you just need to choose theme.liquid. Now Control F and look for Pagefly. Pagefly is the app that makes the problem have a liquid error basically. So here we can see Pagefly. All we need to do is to simply backspace the Pagefly item, or another way is to simply add a curly bracket before it and the percentage sign, and in between the two percentage sign, type in comment. Also do the same after the code or after the page title section wherein we have Pagefly. So here we add percentage sign and comment. Click on save, and that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.